guys, Jacob here. I'm in Fullerton, California. Today we are installing cabinets here in a senior citizen retirement home. I don't know if I needed to mention that, but anyways, so what we have is we're going to start with the top cabinets first. We have a corner cabinet here, obviously, and all around. And then basically we're going to take care of the top first, and then we're going to do the base. Alright? So today that's what we've been commissioned to do, and from what I hear is if we do a really good job on this first cabinet here, because this is the first set of cabinets we're doing in this area, we're going to get to do the whole floor, maybe even the whole complex. So we'll keep our fingers crossed, and we'll show you the progress along the way. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so now that we got most of the top cabinets installed, let's take a look. Okay, sorry for the shaking. Now it's time to put the trim up, and got the first piece right there. Alright. Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, so we've completed the cabinet job. As you can see, we have the tops installed and the bottoms. Now, let's take a look at the detail over here. I was showing that a little bit earlier. What we did right here. It's pretty sweet. I did that all around on all the 22.5 corners. Outside corners with the with the face. All right. Zoom in on that. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering why there's no countertops. We weren't contracted to do the countertops. We're just here to strictly install the cabinets here. So apparently they have another crew coming in to do all this, put on the marble and all that good stuff, and also do the flooring. Hopefully we can come back in and show you folks this, and we'll put that on another video if we can come back in and show you guys the finished product. Alright, thank you for watching.